Hello all. So in this video we will try and understand how the bending of light takes place when it travels from one medium to another. Refraction, as we know, happens when light rays travel from one medium to another. It slows down in denser media and speeds up in the rarer ones. But why does the light ray bend? Let us understand this with a car analogy. Let us imagine a car moving from medium 1 to medium 2 at a certain angle. So there are two things to consider here. The medium 1 is one where the car travels faster, and the car hits the medium 2 at a certain angle. Now in this case, the right wheel of the car, and we are assuming the right wheel to be the one which is to the right of the driver, the right wheel of the car hits medium 2 first and it slows down. Now at this time, the left wheel of the car, being still in medium 1, is traveling faster. Momentarily, it is traveling faster, and this imbalance causes the car to turn a little. The same explanation holds for light rays as well. Let's see how. We have been representing and we have seen light rays being represented as a ray, a single ray with an arrowhead having no width. Well, this representation is slightly incomplete. Light rays are made up of particles, and therefore light rays would have some width. And the moment we consider light rays to be having some width, the same explanation should hold good for light rays as well, just as we had this explanation holding good for car. Now in this case, considering the same right and left alignment, you would see that when a ray of light is traveling from an optically rarer to a denser medium, in this case air to glass, the right side of the ray would come in contact with the denser medium first, slows down, causing an imbalance with the left side of the ray, and this causes the bending. So interestingly, when we consider the light rays to have some width, it explains, we are good with the explanation that we had for the car, and that is how the light rays bend. Now let us consider another setup when the car is traveling from medium 1 to medium 2 straight on. Now in this case, you would see that the car slows down in medium 2, but there is no turning that happens. And this is exactly the scenario we are very familiar with when it comes to light. When the angle of incidence is 0, the angle of refraction is 0 as well. So light slows down. Yes, in medium 2 it slows down for sure, but there is no bending effect that is to be observed. So in essence, refraction is about the bending of light rays when it enters from one medium to another, except when except when the entry is straight. Thanks for watching.